What's up? I'm going to show you how to quickly put new clothing onto an existing picture of a person or character using AI for free, unlimited use. This is useful for things such as creating product photos if you sell clothing, to change your look if you're a social media influencer, or a billion other things. What I love about this is how fast and easy it is, and the fact that it is, again, totally free with no limits. Go to the website listed in the description. Upload a picture with a person or character you want to change. Next, upload a picture of the new clothing you wish to apply. Press run, and a few seconds later, you will have a new image that you can download. Pretty amazing. Look at how it matches the lighting, texture, and anatomy. Sometimes the pictures come out weird, especially if the model is in a difficult pose or there are words in the garment design. So experiment with simpler images in both models and garments. Have fun. Please let me know what AI, art, or business tutorials you would like to see next.